Are you interested in producing professional-looking videos without revealing your face? Or using video editing software is something you're probably sick of? For you, we have exciting news. You can create faceless videos using the strength of AI technology. Yes, you heard right. You don't need a video editor to do this task for you. You can create your faceless videos by using AI tools now. It seems exciting. In this video, I'll teach 3 AI tools to help you create a faceless video without a video editor. Making videos without faces is easy and fun thanks to AI. The AI tools that can develop faceless videos for you in minutes are Deep Video Portraits, Deep Dream, WAV to Lip, Face Swapper, and Animoto. So why do you still wait? See how inventive you can be by giving it a try. Number 1. Animoto. Animoto, a platform for creating beautiful films driven by AI, allows users to create videos quickly. Creating visually appealing videos for social media or advertising, it's a terrific tool. Animoto offers both a free trial and a premium plan. During the trial, you may create as many videos as you like as long as they last no more than 20 seconds. With the premium subscription, which grants you access to more tools and customization choices, you may create longer films. How to use. Step 1. Pick a template for a video. Animoto provides video templates to assist you in beginning your production. In Step 1, choose a template appropriate for the project you are generating initially, such as a promotional film, an informative piece, or a message for a specific person. You may create a video if you wish to start from scratch. Step 2. Include images and videos. In Step 2, upload your images and video clips to get started. There is no issue if you lack photos. Use the material currently included in the template or browse our Getty Photos stock collection, which has over 1 million free clips and photos. Then drag and drop the material into your project. Step 3. Tailor your video. In Step 3, put your own message in place of the template text. Then put your content in whatever location you choose. To captivate your audience, include dynamic media layouts incorporating text, video, and images. Then, under the Design Settings section, customize the appearance of your movie. Use your brand's colors, video styles, fonts, and text animations to express your creativity. Alternatively, select one of our hand-picked themes to create the atmosphere instantly. Finally, choose your music from our library of thousands of tracks that have been granted permission. Step 4. Check out and export your video. In Step 4, to get a preview of your video, click the blue play icon in the lower left corner of your screen. Click Export to create your final HD video when you're satisfied with your creation. Post your video immediately from Animoto to your social networks, or download it as an HD file to embed on your website or send through email. Your Animoto movies won't ever be removed. To download, modify, or reshare your video, return it anytime. Number 2. Pictory. Pictory is an AI video generator that allows you to simply create and edit professional quality videos. One of the best aspects of the program is that it doesn't require you to have any experience with video editing or design. First, you'll need to provide a script or article that can be used as the basis for your video. If you have a blog post that you want to turn into a video to publish on social media or embed on your website, Pictory can help you do that. This service is excellent for individual bloggers and companies looking to increase readership and content quality. The fact that it is web-based means that it may be used with any computer. You may use Pictory to edit webinars, podcasts, Zoom recordings, and faster and more efficiently because of its text-based video editing capabilities. It's simple to implement and yields professional-looking outcomes rapidly, both of which will aid in increasing your reach and establishing your reputation. Pictory is an excellent choice for folks who want to create trailers or post small video clips on social media because it allows them to create shareable video highlight reels. In addition to these amazing features, you can also have your movies automatically captioned and your long recordings summarized. The following are some of Pictory's key characteristics: video made from scripts or articles, text editing for video, make shareable highlight reels for videos, describe and caption videos automatically. How to use. Open the Pictory website in your web browser and create an account if you don't already have one. After successfully logging in, you will be sent to the dashboard. From here, click Create a new story. After providing your story with a title and a description, click Create. You'll be directed to the story editor where you can begin including pictures and captions. Simply click the Add a Photo button and choose the picture from your computer to add. After adding a photo, you can add a caption by selecting Add a Caption and entering your words. By clicking and dragging on the image, you may also change its size, orientation, and rotation. Until your plot is finished, keep adding pictures and captions. Your photographs can be clicked and moved into a different place to change their order. To publish your story to the public after completion, click the Publish button. Alternatively, you might decide to embed it on your website or post it on social media. Number 3. Synthesia. Synthesia is another amazing AI video generator, as it offers a platform for making AI-generated videos. In addition to its many language options and customizable themes, this platform also features a screen recorder, media library, and more. Companies like Google, Nike, Reuters, and the BBC all use Synthesia. Synthesia eliminates the need for expensive camera gear or special sets. Over 70 unique AI characters are available for selection, and you can even commission a custom AI character for your company. Personal avatars can be made in addition to the standard ones. The AI voice generation platform makes it simple to obtain reliable and expert voiceovers that are also simple to modify. There are closed captions available for these narrators. With an avatar and narration in place, it only takes a few minutes to use one of the 50 or so pre-made templates to create a professional-looking film. You can get individualized designs by uploading your own brand identification assets. Some of Synthesia's key characteristics are listed below: 70+ AI avatars, 65+ languages, a large selection of video templates, library of free media. How to use. Go to www.synthesia.io to access the Synthesia website, then click the Sign Up button in the top right corner of the page to start the account creation process. In order to have access to more services, you can either join up for a free trial or pick one of their membership options. You will be directed to the primary dashboard once you have signed in. By selecting the New Project button, a new project may be started here. The template for your video will be your choice. Options include a talking head, presentation, or explainer video. By picking the character or avatar you want to use and your desired backdrop and text colors, you can then further customize your movie. Your script should now be included after you've customized your video. You have two options for entering your script: directly into the editor by typing it in, or by uploading a pre-written script in a format that is compatible. Using their text-to-speech technology, Synthesia will automatically create a voiceover once your script has been uploaded. You can select from a range of languages and dialects, and you can change the voiceover's tone and tempo as necessary. It's time to incorporate images into your video now. You can upload your own photos and movies to Synthesia and use them in your video instead of picking from a selection of pre-made animations and stock footage. Once all of your visuals have been added, you can preview your video to check out how it appears and make any last-minute tweaks. When you're satisfied with your video, you may export it in a number of file formats such as MP4, GIF, and HTML. Additionally, you have the option of downloading or directly sharing your movie on social media sites. In conclusion, the production of faceless films is possible using various AI technologies, each with a unique technique. Following the steps, you may easily create faceless videos using AI technology and obtain the desired outcomes. To improve your video editing skills, go to Pictory, Synthesia, and Aminoto, 3 more AI-powered tools. These tools have a wide range of features, making it quick and simple to create stunning videos. So, I taught you how to create faceless videos using artificial intelligence and have been given an overview of 5 different AI technologies. It's time to be creative. Creating faceless videos without needing to stand in front of the camera or utilize complex video editing software is now feasible. Let us know in the comments which tool you like the most. I am eagerly waiting for your response. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos.